What's wrong with you?
I'm so bored. My idea ain't come out of my head. I have no idea with the special project. I'm tired. I need some rest.
Our body needs to lie down on the beach instead of stuck in this project.
I see. I also want to soak myself among natural scenes and having some Thai dessert. And also, I want snow. Ooh, yeah, I want snow.
I got it. All we need is hotel paradiso.
What?
Just follow me. Hotel paradiso is the best choice for us.
Wow.
Come on, let's go and fly among the stars, so far away, high in the sky. Then come and go.
Such a beautiful hotel.
Yes, all decorated in the traditional Thai style and very, very impressive.
Shall we go to the beach now?
Okay then.
I can smell the sea. I can sing this. It's such a wonderful life.
And I can lay on the beach.
You want to swim right now?
But you're so hot that
Let's
I'm
go,
melting.
let's go.
I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's getting harder to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more.
Wow, this is hotel